Okay, in this video we're going to talk about graphing on a coordinate plane. The biggest thing to remember is this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and when we are graphing, we always do the x-coordinate first, which is the first one, the x or horizontal, then the y. We go across and then up. It is a really simple process, but if you mess that one thing up, you will get it wrong. So let's try. Graph the points 6 and 4 and 4 and 6 on the coordinate plane. I'm just going to call this here point A and this point B so we can make sure we're really clear about which is which. For point A, we must start, because this is the x value, the 4 is the y value. We must start by going across the x-axis, 6. So that's easy enough to here. It's going to be somewhere along here. Then we look at our y-coordinate. This is the y-axis, so we go up to 4. So we're at 6, and we go up to 4. That is point A. We went across first, then up. For the second one, part B, or point B rather, it asks us to go over 4, across 4, up 6. So B would be right here. Again, we went over 4, then up 6. Hopefully you can see that if you do that backwards, you will get them in the wrong points. So you need to go across and then up. A little faster this time. Our coordinates are 9 and 5. Across 9, up 5. So my dot would go right here. That's my point. Okay, in this next example, although it looks a bit more complex, it's exactly the same concept. Just rather than focusing on one quadrant, we have 4 different quadrants in front of us, but the process is the same. Again, across and then up or down, because now we have negative. You notice there's negative here and negative there, but we have to start with the across. So 9, so that's positive 9, so that's over here. Positive 9. Miss Cooper, it's not written there. Well, hopefully you can assume that between 8 and 10 is positive 9. And then it says negative 6. So on the y-axis, we're going to go down to negative 6. So our dot will go right there. 9 and negative 6. Okay. I'm going to call that A and this one B. So the second one, negative 4 and positive 1 right there. Again, I can assume that's positive 1 because it's between 0 and 2. So is it negative 4 and 1 right there? Okay. Last example, x value is 7, y is 8. So across positive 7, up 8 to right there. 7, follow to there, 8, okay. A, B, that's A. B is negative 2 across on the x-axis and up to positive 10. That's another common mistake, is kids will go up or down the wrong way. So make sure if it's positive 10, you're going up. Negative 2 and up to positive 10. Okay, that's pretty much it. Good luck with this section.